Friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a desktop on the application of Discord problem. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here, this first page of settings. After that you will go to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Discord problem. After that you will enter to the window here of first stop and you will click OK, and then you will click on storage, and in the end you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.